Hi, I'm Saba Waheed, resident chef here at Yale Appliance, and this is the latest version of JennAir's Culinary Center guided cooking system. In this video, you'll learn what the Culinary Center allows you to do. We'll go over competitive systems from other brands, and I'll walk you through how to navigate the system and set up a dish. Let's get started. JennAir's Culinary Center is a guided cooking program that allows you to select a particular category of food and provides information such as temperature, rack position, and recommended internal temperature to get near perfect results. Some direct competitors of JennAir's Culinary Center are Miele's MasterChef system, Wolf's Gourmet program, and guided cooking programs from Fisher and Paykel, and Signature Kitchen Suites. First, we're going to power on. Select the upper oven. Select Culinary Center. And here we have several categories ranging from vegetables to casseroles, baked goods, roasts, poultry, pork, seafood. Today, we'll select roast. We have a mix of beef tenderloin, crown lamb roast, meatloaf, prime rib, round roast. Let's go with our prime rib. Select next, and then you can select a temperature, rare, medium, medium well, and well. Let's go with medium rare. Next. You can select the type of pan, broiling pan, roasting pan, disposable roasting pan, regular, shiny pan, rectangular dark pan, rectangular glass baking dish, and rectangular ceramic baking dish. Next, we have the mode, we have the temperature, we have the probe temperature, cook all foods to minimum safe internal temperature according to foodsafety.gov. And then here are some cooking tips as well. The rack position has been noted, rack position 3, and it does recommend to use the rollout rack for this particular roast. And it gives you a beautiful photo of where to insert the probe and step-by-step instructions as well. Thanks for watching. Click the link in the description to download our free Pro Cooking Buying Guide to learn more about the JennAir Culinary Center and all the other advanced features you'll find on a professional wall oven and range.